Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kombucha without sugar, focusing on methods to achieve a sugar-free final product. First, understand that sugar is essential for the initial fermentation process, feeding the SCOBY. We'll explore how to minimize residual sugar through extended fermentation. Additionally, we'll discuss using alternative sweeteners to flavor your brew without adding extra calories or carbohydrates. This approach ensures a delicious, health-conscious beverage. To achieve a low-sugar kombucha, the key is extended fermentation. Start with your standard brew, black or green tea, a SCOBY, and about 1 cup of sugar per gallon of water. Instead of stopping at 7 to 10 days, let it ferment for a longer period, typically 14 to 21 days. This extended time allows the SCOBY to consume significantly more of the initial sugar. Remember to taste your brew regularly to find the perfect balance of tartness and minimal sweetness. Once your kombucha has fermented to your desired low sugar level, it's time to add flavor without reintroducing sugar. You can use natural fruit extracts or unsweetened fruit purees for a burst of taste. Herbs like fresh ginger, mint, or even a touch of lavender can provide unique and refreshing notes. For those who prefer a sweeter profile, non-caloric sweeteners such as erythritol or stevia are excellent choices, as they won't feed the yeast or bacteria. Now you have delicious, sugar-free kombucha ready to enjoy. Store your finished brew in airtight bottles in the refrigerator to slow down any further fermentation and maintain its flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment with various flavor combinations to discover your favorites. This healthy beverage is a fantastic alternative to sugary drinks. And speaking of staying hydrated, check the description below for a link to a great water bottle and other deals to keep you refreshed all day long.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.